The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a premium titanium frame, giving it a strong yet lightweight feel. The flat edges make it more comfortable to hold, and the built-in S Pen continues to be a standout feature for productivity lovers. It feels solid, premium, and unmistakably ultra. On the front, you get a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is incredibly sharp, bright, and smooth, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and everyday use. Samsung has once again set the standard for smartphone displays. Powering the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, designed for top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing photos and videos, this phone handles everything effortlessly. It's fast, smooth, and future-ready. The camera system is where the S24 Ultra truly shines. It features a 200MP main camera, delivering stunning detail and sharpness. Zoom performance is impressive, and low-light photography has been significantly improved. From portraits to night shots, this phone is built for serious photography. Samsung introduces Galaxy AI, bringing smart features like AI photo editing, live translation, and intelligent search. These tools make everyday tasks faster and more convenient, adding real value to the user experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a reliable battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. With fast charging support, you can quickly power up and get back to what matters.